Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be reset, although it's going to be a little bit different because normally I would clean my house in my reset, but we just hired my sister yesterday to clean our house for us, so it helps her be there for her kids a little bit more, and it helps us not have to do it ourselves, you know? Something I've been really wanting for a long time, but I'm so particular about how my house is that, like, she's the perfect person to do the job, you know? So she did it yesterday, so I think normally I would probably still like vacuum, clean the cat's bedding on the back of the couch, you know, mop my floor, dust, blah blah blah. Like, I think I would normally do that because we're having her come bi-weekly, but she was here yesterday, so literally nothing needs to be done. I already swept up the floor where in my laundry room where the cats had like their little kitty litter paw prints come out of their kitty litter area, so I don't even need to do that. But what I do need to do, and what I will need to do every week, is laundry, bedding. I always say that I'm going to do my bedding every other week, but I just really love fresh sheets, so I'm going to do it every week. So I'm doing my bedding. I'm doing Little Nick's bedding because he is away. He went on vacation with his girlfriend and her family, so he'll be gone for the week, so he can come home to fresh bedding. When you're seeing this, we have just started school, so like when he comes back, he has like 2 or 3 days before school starts, so having a nice fresh room will be perfect for him. Also, back to the cleaning thing, we're paying my sister to clean our house, not the kids' rooms. So if the kids want to keep their room clean and have their floor vacuumed and their room dusted, then it's on them to have their room presentable for someone to come in there and do that. I'm not doing that for them. They're old enough that they can do that themselves. Natalie's an adult, so if she wants that done, she'll have everything picked up and ready for something like that. So back to Nick. I'm gonna clean up his room. His room is like atrocious right now. He has a whole box of jeans, like 10 pairs of jeans that he doesn't wear on his bed. So I think I'm gonna list them on Facebook Marketplace for him. Excuse me. I do have stuff. I have Kohl's returns to do. I have to do what's it called? Bring a bag to Salvation Army or one of those drop places of clothes for Natalie. So bedding, laundry, that's a fact. I need to update my budget. I like doing that every week. I try to do it every day, but I don't like updating my budget until things have cleared in my bank account, because I do like Walmart orders for my groceries. Like, they hold a certain amount, and then they later on, if like they didn't have something, it changes. So I rather wait until everything clears and do it like that. As I said in one of my last videos, we're trying to get rid of the RV, so hopefully that comes off of our budget. That would be lovely. But that's it so far. I do have to meal prep, and I am going to do a little fall decorating because I can, you know? So come along. Okay, future Lynette here. I need to insert this into the video because I didn't do anything I said that we were going to do in the intro. I didn't budget, I didn't meal prep, I didn't do any of that. The weekend got away from me, okay? I don't know. What we did do was clean my car. Let's see. Clean my car and basically laundry. And I made some dip. And I show you my fall haul, which was 3 things. So we really didn't do that much, but you know, next time will be more fun. So I need to insert that here. So sorry that we didn't do what I said we were going to do. Maybe next time.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up.
saw I washed the mats to the front of my car. My back mats, excuse me, are still clean. So it's nice that now that I don't have to clean my house, I am able to clean my car because it's gross. I haven't cleaned it in quite some time. I don't really drive all that often since I work from home. Rarely do I drive anywhere, but it's been probably a good like 3-4 months since I cleaned out my car, so it's all spick and span now. I'm gonna go out there and like wipe down the inside and vacuum, so I'll bring you along for that.
Together, if I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here
Okay, just got a little bit ready for the day. I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby or something with my sister. I cleaned my car like you saw a little aftermath of it. I mean, basic stuff. It's hard to show you like cleaning my car so you don't see like the front of my house. We have our laundry going still. Let me check and see if it is done. The dryer's still going, but I think the washer is done. Yeah, the washer is done. And the dryer is not done yet. So, hopefully it'll be done by the time I get back. Because our blanket is in the wash. Let me lock my door. And when I get back, obviously we'll keep doing laundry. This might end up running into tomorrow too because it takes time to do laundry, you know? So, and right now I've only done towels and my blanket, and I need to do my sheets before tonight. But since book club is tonight, I'll end up running into a little bit of a time crunch. So, whatever. This is the things we do every week, you know? And if you can't do them all on Saturday, you do some on Sunday. That's just what happens. So I'm gonna go have a little fun with my sister. I never do this, and we never do anything like this without kids, ever. So it'd be fun to go and browse around a store with all the fall decor out. That's so fun. We haven't done, we used to do this like years ago when, gosh, her son, probably about 8 years ago, because he's 8. We used to do it when he was a baby. We would food shop together every Friday, and then we would go to like Hobby Lobby or something. God, it was so fun. But that's what we're gonna do now. And as you can see, the house is still perfectly clean. What a vibe, man, what a vibe. We just got some sleepy kitties, if you can see. One's right here, one's right here. Let me show you where the other one hides, because you never really get to see her, because she's just a scared girl, you know? I don't know if you guys even care about my kitties, but I care about them, so. Anytime we make any kind of sound in here, this is what Penny does. Hi, Penny girl. You just whined in the drawer? Okay, you could stay in there. Bye-bye, Penny girl. I think it's so funny that she does that. Anytime that there's like talking. Sorry, the lighting in my house is obviously terrible. Anytime there's talking and stuff going on, she's hiding. So maybe I should vacuum while there's nothing to do, but the cats are sleeping. I'm gonna have to vacuum before book club because oh my God, the lighting is terrible. I'm so sorry. So I'm gonna have to vacuum before book club. Nah, I'll let the kitties sleep because like I don't want to bother them, you know? And then I also should wash my curtains because let me show you this. It's gross. I'm gonna turn you around because you can't really see. That's literally cat hair on here. Like, What kind of disgusting slob am I? Just kidding, this is my husband's desk. Just kidding, he's not a slob either, he's super clean. But I should wash them. I just wash them and then hang it back up wet, which is probably why they look like that actually. Probably shouldn't do that. Anyway, no big deal. Off to Hobby Lob.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you.
Pretty hungry?
No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise.
I feel like it would be more fun to go to.
Caught me yawning.
Alright, just moving it. Okay, this is what we got from Hobby Lob. I hope you like cats. I'm gonna hang it right on the door. I got these because they so cute, right? They're so cute. Are they in the frame? You get out of here, and then I just got this because this lights up. I don't know how. There you go. Like that. Oh. And then I bought a mat that's out there.
I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all.
Making dips for book club. This is the first one.
You
Yum.
better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
I'm just gonna make this queso dip and then I'll be back later to switch laundry.
Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. You better join in.
that's gonna wrap up this week's video. Thank you for spending the day with me. I know we didn't do much. We just cleaned my car. I didn't take you along shopping with me, but maybe next time. It's kind of awkward to take your camera around to stores and record things, but all in due time, you know? So thank you for spending the day with me, and I'll see you in my next video.